Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Nur Amanda, Class B English Education 2019. I will explain about the material of mid test speaking for academic purposes. The topic is the 10 most critical problems in the world according to millennials. Number 1, World Economic Forum surveys people every year about the biggest problem facing the world. Number 2, climate change is the millennial generation top concern for the third in year. Number 3, millennials are also concerned about large-scale conflict, wars, and inequality. For the third year in a row, millennials will participate in the world. Nearly half, 48.8% of the survey participants choose climate change as of climate change. Over 91% of respondents answer agree and strongly agree with the statement science has proven that humans are responsible for climate change. Despite the dire state of the world today and the stereotype that millennials are selfish and apathetic, the generation aged 18 to 35 cares deeply about global issues and they are determined to tackle them. The position of 10th, lack of economic opportunity and unemployment, 12.1%. For example, Chinese workers wait for job opportunities inside a local employment center on September 1825 in Yiwu, Zhejiang Province, China. The ninth, safety, security, well-being is at 14.1%. The eighth, lack of education, 15.9%. The seventh, food and water security, 18.2%. Sixth, government accountability and transparency or corruption, 22.7%. For example, demonstrators were mass depositing Brazil's former president Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva and Brazil's President Dilma Rousseff during a protest calling for the impeachment of Rousseff near the National Congress in Brasilia, Brazil, December 13, 25. The fifth, religious conflicts, 23.9%. For example, in Germany, Yazidi protesters with friends and family in Iraq and Syria called for action to stop ISIS' violent siege. Fourth, poverty, 29.2%. For example, weeks before the 26 Olympics Games Commerce, children play in a garbage dump in one Rio de Janeiro's large favela complexes, which suffers from poverty and violence. The third, inequality or income discrimination, 30.8%. For example, the income gap between top and bottom earners is getting wider in the US. The second, large-scale conflict or worse, 38.9%. For example, Libyan forces, along with the UN-backed government, fire a shell at Islamic State victors. And the position first is climate change or destruction of nature, 48.8%. For example, protesters calling for massive economic and political change to curb the effects of global warming hold a sit-in around the Wall Street Ball State on Broadway on September 22, 2014 in New York City. Maybe just like that. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.